That's me, the girl with way too many journals, more stickers than she ever used, and a habit of turning every little moment into a memory. Hi, I'm Harpreet, and this is my little world. A world filled with paper scraps and color pages. Some people collect things, but I collect memories. And this summer, I'm choosing to slow down, create more, and find magic in the little moments. So come along, pick up a journal, and turn ordinary days into memories you will want to keep forever. Let's make this summer a beautiful story, one page at a time. Hi, buddies, welcome back to our beautiful summer journaling camp. So, before we start today's project, I just want to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you so much for all the love you have been showing to this channel, whether it's through your comments, your likes, your messages, or simply by watching these videos. I truly appreciate every bit of support. And not just here on YouTube, but on Instagram as well. I love reading your comments, seeing your reaction, and hearing about your own creative journeys. Some of you have even shared that you have started journaling after watching these videos, and that genuinely makes me so happy. So thank you once again for all your support, all your encouragement, and all the love you have been sending my way. It truly means a lot to me. And before we begin today's project, I just want to remind you that this is not just a journaling series, it's also a giveaway series. Throughout this summer journal camp, I'll be creating 5 different journals, and each journal will go to one lucky winner. That means we'll have 5 journals and 5 winners by the end of the camp. So to participate in the giveaway and know all the rules, make sure to watch day 1 of the summer journal camp. Now let me quickly show you what we have created yesterday. This is the zine journal from day 1 of our summer journal camp. As you can see, it has all these little pages ready to be filled with creativity and memories. Very soon, I'm going to decorate all of these pages and share the complete process on Instagram. I'm honestly so excited to show you how it turns out, so make sure you follow me there. Alright, now let's move on to today's project. And for this project, I'll be using 3 sheets of paper. These are A4 size papers, but you can use any size you like. Just make sure that all the papers you are using are the same size so that your journal comes together neatly in the end. One more important thing to keep in mind is that your paper should be double-sided. So today we are making a pocket journal. Now let's begin. Take your first paper and fold it from the bottom just like I'm doing here in the video. Once that's done, repeat the same step with the remaining papers as well. Now, apply glue only on both corners of the folded section, just like I am doing here. This will turn the folded part into a pocket. Once you have done that, repeat the same step with the remaining papers as well. And just like that, all our pockets are ready. Now, fold each part in half, just like I am doing in the video. This will turn our pockets into journal pages. And repeat the same step with all the papers, and you will start to see your journal coming together. Now it's time to assemble our journal. Take all 3 pages and paste them together one over the other, just like I'm doing in the video. Make sure everything is lined up nicely before sticking them down. And once all the pages are attached, you will have the basic structure of your pocket journal ready. Now we are almost done. To give our journal a neat and finished look, I'm going to use a strip of paper and attach it along the binding side. This step is really important because it helps hold all the pages together and make the journal much stronger. Simply place the strip along the spine, apply glue, and press it down carefully. Make sure everything is nicely attached and lined up. And just like that, all the pages are secured together and our pocket journal finally starts looking like a real journal. A simple paper strip can make such a big difference both in the look and the durability of the journal. Once it's attached properly, our pocket journal is complete and ready to be filled with creativity and memories. I absolutely love how this one turned out. It's such a simple journal to make, but at the same time, it's creative, useful, and perfect for storing little memories. I hope you are enjoying this summer journal camp and creating these journal along with me. And if you do make any of these projects, don't forget to share them with me on Instagram. I would love to see your creations and the creative touches you added to them. Also, I'll be decorating this journal very soon and sharing the complete process on Instagram. So make sure you are following me there to see all the pockets and the pages come to life. And remember, this very journal will be going to one lucky winner. So don't forget to leave a comment below telling me what you like most about today's video and why would you love to receive this journal. And with that, today's creative session comes to an end. Bye buddies.